everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing like a daily vlog. I'm just gonna take you with me along my day. So let's get into it. I'm just getting ready to head out, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly. I'm using this Nykaa Correct and Conceal palette. I use this shade under my eyes. I'm just gonna show you how I do it. Just under my eyes, just to conceal the dark circles. And then I am taking a multi-pot. So I'm taking a Luer multi-pot, and I'm taking the shade Tara maybe, or okay, no, I'm gonna look for Deva. 1 second. Okay, I have Oma, so I'm taking Oma today and just putting my finger in, applying it on my cheeks and then some on my lips. So this is what it looks like on the cheeks. I'll show it to you in better lighting as well. And on my lips just a little bit. And that's the look for today. I'm just gonna wear my watch as well, because you gotta have a watch on. And yeah, let's get ready to go. So this is what the makeup looks like in better lighting. So I just have Oma from Luer, the multi-pot, on my lips and on my cheeks, and a Nykaa concealer. That's it. And yeah, and my nails are a little funky. I couldn't decide which color to do, so I did all of them. I almost forgot. I'm gonna spray this on me because it smells really good if you haven't tried it yet. Okay, in the elevator now. Quick outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. These are my shoes. And this is what the makeup looks like. Let me flip the camera. So yeah, on my way now. Okay, so now I am driving. I'm very new to this whole vlog situation, so I'm not really sure exactly how to do it, but I'm on my way. I just have to get some stuff done, so that's where I'm driving to, just like run some errands, you know. And yeah, I don't have much else planned for today, so I am gonna run these errands and then go back home, and then I have to film some reels for my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it'll be linked down below, so you can check out the reels that I'm posting today. And yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys when I am back and filming my reels. So now I just got back home and I'm gonna be filming some reels for my Instagram. So I'm just gonna show you my setup. It's like really basic, but just thought I'd show you guys. So here it is. This is my makeup case, and then I just have a little bit, I have a ring light here, which and then I'm using this Huda Beauty palette, and then my laptop is right here. So this is kind of the setup, and I'm gonna begin filming my reels. And this is really dirty inside, so it really needs to be cleaned, but yeah. Hi guys, so it's Sunday today and we're just going to a couple of stores. So we're in the Horniman Circle area in Bombay, and it's really beautiful, especially on a Sunday because there's no one around. So I'll show you guys a bit of it. Maybe you can see from here, but I need to flip this camera, so let me do that. Okay, so now we're just walking to the Zara store. This is the store. It's a really nice, massive, like flagship store in Bombay. So I'm just wearing my mask. I love this city. For those of you who haven't been to Bombay, it has so much character. It's just an amazing city. I mean, I love it. So anyway, walking into the Zara store now, and literally vlogging on the street is kind of awkward, but I'm gonna go into the store now. Yeah. Show you guys this outfit that I've tried on. I absolutely love it. It's like a skirt and blazer set. I just don't know where I would wear it, but I love it. It's so cute. What do you guys think? Okay, so now I'm at the Brabant Stadium, or the Cricket Club of India. So just gonna have lunch here today. But I'm actually a member of the club. and I love it. If you can see the stadium behind me, it's like absolutely beautiful. So yeah, just thought I'd show this. Hi everyone, so I actually forgot to vlog during the day, my bad, but I'm back now and I'm actually teaching an online meditation and breath workshop. So I do teach these workshops about once every month. They're 4-day workshops, so the first day starts today in about 30 minutes. So I'm just getting ready, kind of setting up my laptop, Zoom and all of that, and then I have a ring light behind me just to give myself, like, just to make sure that I have ample light on me when people are looking at me on Zoom. So I'm just doing that. Nothing really exciting. I mean, I know this vlog has been kind of boring, but it's gonna get better, I promise. But yeah, I just thought I would close this vlog out because I don't have much else planned for today aside from teaching this workshop, which is 2 hours, and then I'm just gonna go to bed. But if you like these kinds of videos, like if you like these vlogs, I know it's just my first one and they will get better, but if you like them, then don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.